Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Flat Top Noob. Hey, look, pork steaks. All right, I've done videos where I've done pork steak fajitas. Here in St. Louis, pork steak is like the biggest staple for barbecue. In the 80s, 70s, 80s, somewhat 90s, if you were barbecuing, this is what you were barbecuing, that and chicken. So, but what we're going to do today is I got myself a nice brand new meat grinder, and we're going to take one of these pork steaks, grind up the meat, and make a pork steak burger, smash burger. I don't know if I'm going to smash it or we're just going to smash it a little bit. We'll see what happens. But there should be enough fat in here to get a nice little crust going on as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, cut it up, and throw it through the meat grinder, and we'll start the cooking. I've yet to use this meat grinder, so it's brand new out of the box. See how well she does or doesn't do. It'll be like a Pink Floyd video. So we're gonna start by putting that meat inside of here, and actually, I guess the meat can go up here too. I've always had hand crank old hand crank meat grinders, so the old cast iron ones. So oh yeah. All right. So look at how that all. I mean, that's just nice. Oh yeah. Look at all that fat in there. And I'll be honest with you, I think these are gonna come out really good. All right, I'm gonna get these things in the balls, not those balls, but these balls. I'm gonna clean that up, get the VEVOR fired up and warmed up, and we shall return. All right, I threw some onions down there. I toasted up some of my buns. I threw barbecue sauce on there, just like a smash burger. I'm gonna throw this on the griddle. I just want to warm up the onions. I don't want to caramelize them too bad. So since this is pork, it's already gonna be salty. So I'm just gonna add pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Yummy yum. So these onions are about where I want them. I don't want to get them all pepper. So what I'll do is put them on a plate, just like so. And then what I'm actually going to do is layer them on the top and maybe on the bottom. Like so. All right. So now we're just going to wait for this thing to go a little bit, and then we'll smash them. All right. Let's keep this pressed up a little bit. It should stick to the thing, so Yeah, we're gonna smash them. All right. There's much fat that was in there. We should get a nice crust. We'll see. Starting to crust up a little bit. Let it go, and we'll flip them and then throw some cheese on there. What do you think? It was just great. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's not like the burgers, but you guys remember this is pork steaks. This is a pork steak. Oh, that ain't terrible for a pork steak. Look at that. I mean, it's not going to be the black like, but as far as on a pork steak, that ain't terrible. That ain't bad at all. All right, throw down some cheese on this thing. Let that cheese melt. Thought there'd be more grease on there, but all right, so here you have it, the pork steak smash burger. So I decided to go ahead and smash it. I know in the beginning I said I didn't know what I was going to do, but man, oh man, let's see how good this thing really is. So, like I said, the pork steaks are a St. Louis staple. Just go ahead and go in here and take a bite. I put barbecue sauce and onion on here, and that's about it. I don't know if you can see how this looks. No, it's pretty dark. So, I don't know. Anyway, let's take a bite out of crime here. They're pretty good. Man. Mmm. That's a new way. That's a new way of cooking pork steaks. Let me tell you. Yeah. Okay. I think we're on to something here. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, comment, blah, 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 bullcrap. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to try and make these a little bit better. Things have been going on the last month. It's been hot outside, working late, blah, blah, bull. Anyway, till the next one, I will see you in the YouTube land or wherever that's at. So I'm going to finish this thing. And yeah, 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 yeah. Most definitely, yeah.